After Maria struck, we did not have communications or power, really any communications with the outside world.
Because the streets were blocked with debris, not being able to contact your loved ones, even if they lived like a few miles away, it was really, really scary.
This is the next stage of Project Owl's technology, from a more professional-looking duct device to more robust and improved electronics. We've also added solar panels and better power optimization so that they don't need to run off of external power or the grid. These ducts are permanent.
By engaging the students here, we hope to introduce them to new technology that they can use to develop a solution or improve the open source solution that Project Owl built.
Solar panel needs to be facing south. So south, every single time we deploy a duct, it's always something different. We always have to be adaptable to every situation.
We are out in the blazing heat, humidity, and sunlight on rooftops, climbing up trees, up ladders.
The students of UPR were getting involved and actually even deployed some of the ducts themselves. So when information is coming over the duct network, we need to analyze that data so that it becomes useful for first responders. So using IBM Cloud and IBM Watson and IBM IoT, we're able to take all that data, analyze it, and make it so that first responders are able to respond to any situation.
IBM prides itself on being able to provide Project Owl with the tools it needs to create a successful, sustainable product and project around their technology.